हेलो बच्चों, वेलकम टू माय चैनल। आज हम बेटा सेल साइकिल एंड सेल डिवीजन की एनसीईआरटी पढ़ेंगे। इसका हमने कंप्लीट चैप्टर डिटेल में कर लिया है। आप लोग चैनल पर जाके देख सकते हैं। ओके, तो चलो बिना किसी देरी के एनसीईआरटी स्टार्ट करते हैं बेटा। आज हम एनसीईआरटी करेंगे और कल हम इसके 100 एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन 100 एमसीक्यू क्वेश्चन प्रैक्टिस कर लेंगे, जिससे कि हमारा चैप्टर क्लियर हो जाए। ओके, तो चलो स्टार्ट करते हैं अपना लेक्चर, जिसका चैप्टर का नाम है सेल साइकिल एंड सेल डिवीजन। ओके, तो चलो लास्ट गेट स्टार्ट। Growth and reproduction are characteristics of cell, indeed of all living organism. ओके, आगे सेल साइकिल, आगे हमारा टॉपिक है सेल साइकिल। तो चलो समझो और इसे करो। ओके, सेल साइकिल इज अ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट प्रोसेस इन ऑल लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म ड्यूरिंग द सेल डिवीजन ऑफ अ सेल। ठीक है, DNA application and cell growth also take place. On each process, cell division, DNA application and cell growth have taken place in a coordinate way to ensure correct division and formation of progeny cell containing intact genome. The sequence of events which a cell duplicates its genome, synthesize the other constituent of the cell and eventually divide into two daughter cells is termed cell cycle. ठीक है, although cell growth in terms of cytoplasmic increase is a continuous process, DNA synthesis occurs only during one specified stage in the cell cycle. The replicate chromosomes DNA are then distributed to a daughter nuclei by a complex series of events during cell division. These events are themselves under genetic control. Okay, अंडर जेनेटिक कंट्रोल। अब हम देखेंगे फेज ऑफ सेल साइकिल। जो हमने आपको बताया था, ये वाला फेज हमारा एम फेज था, बाकी पूरा इंटरफेज था। क्या आपका इंटरफेज। ठीक है, तो ये G1 फेज हो गया, एस हो गया, G2 हो गया। ठीक है, ये प्रोफेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज, टेलोफेज और साइटोकाइनेसिस। ओके, तो फेज ऑफ साइकिल की बात करेंगे तो अ टिपिकल यूकेरियोटिक सेल, human cell culture, each cell divide approximately 24 hours. Duration of cell cycle can vary from organism to organism and also from cell type to cell type. Each top example can progress through the cell cycle in only 90 minutes. The cell cycle divides two basic phases. इंटरफेज और एम्फेज, जिसे माइटोसिस फेज कहते हैं। एम्फेज रिप्रेजेंट द फेज ऑफ व्हेन actual cell division or mitosis occur, and the interphase represents the phase between two successive M-phase. 24-hour average duration of cycle or for human cell. Cell division proper lasts for only about an hour. The interphase lasts more than 95% duration of cell cycle. M-phase starts with a nuclear division corresponding to the separation of daughter chromosome. Karyokinesis and usually end with division of cytoplasm cytokinesis. The interphase through that the resting phase is the time duration cell preparation of division by undergoing both cell growth and DNA replication in an orderly manner. The interphase divided into three phases: G1 phase, S phase or G2 phase. Okay, G1 phase corresponding interval between mitosis and initial DNA replication. G1 phase, the cell is mitotically and continuously grow but does not replicate DNA. S or synthesis phase mark the period during which DNA synthesis or replication take place. During this time, amount of DNA per cell doubles. If the initial amount of DNA denote L2C, ठीक है, and increase 4C. However, there is now increase in chromosomes number if the cell diploid chromosome after S phase, the number of chromosomes remains same. In animal cell during S phase DNA replication, nucleus centriole duplicates cytoplasm. During the G2 phase, protein are synthesis in preparation of mitosis, which cell growth continues. Okay, आगे लिखेंगे हम क्रिशियन फेज. देखो, these cells that do not divide further exit given phase to enter an inactive state is called quiescent stage. Zero of the cell cycle. Cell in this stage remain mitotically active but no longer proliferative unless called on, so depending on the requirement of organism. Okay, आगे देखो एम फीड बेटा, हमारा एम फीड मैं जितना अंडरलाइन करा रहा हूँ उतना आप लोग पढ़ते चलिए, ठीक है. दिस इज द मोस्ट ड्रामेटिक फीड. एम फीड को यहाँ पे क्वेश्चन बन जाता है कि ड्रामेटिक फीड कौन सा है हमारा, तो वो हमारा है एम फीड. इस चीज को याद रखना है, ठीक है. Of the cell cycle involving a major recognition of virtually all components of the cell. The number of chromosomes in the parent or progeny cells is the same. It is also called as equational division. Through convergence, mitosis has been divided into 4 stages. Nuclear kinesis. It is very essential to understand that cell division in a progenesis and very clear outline cannot be drawn between various states. Karyokinesis involves following 4 stages: प्रोपेज, मेटाफेज, एनाफेज और टेलोफेज. ठीक है, तो लिखो प्रोफेज. प्रोफेज देखते हैं, प्रोफेज को देखेंगे. प्रोफेज विच इज द फर्स्ट स्टेज ऑफ karyokinesis of mitosis follow the S and G2 phase of interphase. S and G2 phase, new DNA molecules from are not distinct but interrelated. Prophase is marked by the initial of condensation of chromosomal material. The chromosomal material becomes untangled during the process of chromatin condense. The centrosome, which had undergone duplication as phase of interphase, now beginning to move toward opposite poles of the cell. The completion of prophase can thus be marked by the following of characteristic events. Chromosomal material condensed to form compact mitotic chromosomes. Chromosomes are seen to be composed of 2 chromatids attached together at the centromere. Centrosome, which had undergone duplication during interphase, beginning to move towards opposite poles of cells. Each centrosome radiate out microtubules called ester. ओके, ये जो चीज इसमें हो रही है मैं आपको कंप्लीटली इसको बता चुका हूँ. आप लोग लेक्चर को अटेंड कर सकते हैं. लेक्चर के बाद फायदा क्या होता है एनसीईआरटी पढ़ने का कि हमारा हर एक टॉपिक है क्रिस्टल एंड क्लियर हो जाता है. The two ester together with spindle fiber from mitotic apparatus. अब हम देखेंगे एम यानी कि मेटाफेज. ओके, मेटाफेज. The complete distinguished nucleus involved mark start to second phase of mitosis. ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है, क्रोमोसोम सेपरेट साइटोप्लाज्म ऑफ सेल्स. ठीक है, कंडेंस ऑफ क्रोमोसोम हो जाता है कंप्लीटली. ठीक है, कंप्लीटली कंडेंस ऑफ क्रोमोसोम हो जाता है. और फिर ये डीप स्ट्रक्चर सब आर at the site of attachment spindle fiber to chromosomes that are called move position centrosomes called metaphase. All chromosomes coming to like the equator chromatode of each chromosome connect to kinetochore spindle fiber from pole to sister chromatode connect by its kinetochore to spindle fiber from the opposite poles. The plan of alignment of the chromosomes at metaphase to refer to as a metaphase plate. The key feature of metaphase spindle fiber attached to kinetochore chromosome Chromosomes are moved spindle equator adenine and metaphase plate to spindle fiber spoles. ठीक है, नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे एनाफेज। नेक्स्ट देखेंगे हम एनाफेज। तो एनाफेज एट द one set anaphase at the one set of anaphase each chromosomes arranged at the metaphase plate is split simultaneously and two daughter chromatid। ठीक है, इसमें क्या होता है, माइग्रेशन टूवर्ड टू अपोजिट पोल्स, ईच क्रोमोसोम मूव अवे द इक्वेलेटिव प्लेट, the centromer of each chromosome remain direct toward the poles and ends at the lead edge। ठीक है, the anaphase stage it characterized by, इसमें क्या होता है, सेंट्रोमर स्प्लिट हो जाती है और सेपरेट हो जाती है, क्रोमोसोम मूव टू अपोजिट पोल्स। नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे टीडियोफेज। टीडियोफेज में क्या होता है, क्रोमोसोम कंस्ट्रक्ट एट अपोजिट स्पिंडल पोल्स and their identity it lost as discrete element। Nuclear envelope develop around the chromosomes cluster at each pole forming two daughter nuclei, nucleoform, Golgi complex and ER। साइटोकाइनेसिस। नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे साइटोकाइनेसिस। Duplication chromosomes into daughter nuclei, karyokinesis, but the cell itself divides two daughter cells, separation of cytokinesis, at the end of which cell division gets complete। In an animal cell, this is achieved by the appearance of furrow in the plasma membrane, the furrow gradually deepening, ultimately join center dividing the cell cytoplasm into plant cell are enclosed by relatively cell wall। Therefore, they undergo cytokinesis via different mechanism। In plant cell, wall formation starts in the center of cell and grow outward to meet the adjacent lateral wall। The formation of new cell wall beginning with the formation of simple vascular cell, the cell plate represents the middle lamella between the wall of two adjacent। At the time of cytoplasmic division, organelles like mitochondria and plastic get distributed between the two daughter cells। In some organisms, karyokinesis is not followed by cytokinesis, as a result of which multinucleated conditions arise leading to formation of synthesized, example liquid endosperm in coconut। ठीक है, हम देखेंगे मियोसिस। क्या देखेंगे, मियोसिस। मियोसिस देखो, मियोसिस में क्या देखना है, इसमें हमारी meiosis involves two sequential cycle of nuclear and cell division called meiosis first and meiosis second, but only single cycle of DNA replication। okay, four haploid forms meiosis second। देखो meiosis first, प्रोफेज फर्स्ट, एनाफेज फर्स्ट, डिप्लोइड फर्स्ट। आगे स्टडी करेंगे मियोफेज फर्स्ट में। टॉपिक है हमारा प्रोफेज फर्स्ट। अगर नीट में क्वेश्चन इस चैप्टर से आता है तो सिर्फ यहीं से आता है। फोर नंबर आपके पक्का है अगर आपने ये टॉपिक अच्छे से एनसीईआरटी रीड कर दी। प्रोफेज फर्स्ट ऑफ द माइटोटिक division is typically longer and more complex when compared to prophase of mitosis। It has been further subdivided into the following 5 phases based on chromosomal behavior: लिप्टोटीन, जाइगोटीन, पैकेटीन, डिप्लोटीन और डाइकाइनेसिस। आगे देखिए During nicotine stage, the chromosomes become gradually visible under the light microscope. The compression of chromosomes continues throughout nicotine. This is followed by second stage of process, it's called zygotine. During this stage, chromosomes they start pairing together, and this process associated called synapses. Such paired chromosomes are called homologous chromosomes. Electron micrographs of these states immediate chromosome synapses is accompanied by the formation of complex called synaptoidal complex. The complex form a pair synapses homologous chromosomes called bivalent or tetrad. However, these are more clearly visible at the next stage. The first two stages of prophase first are relatively short-lived compared to the next stage, that is packaging. During this stage, four chromatids of each bivalent chromosome become distinct and clearly appearance as tetrad. This stage will be characterized by the appearance of recombination nodules, the site of at which crossing over occurs between non-sister chromatin of the homologous chromosome. Crossing over is the exchange of genetic material between two homologous chromosomes. Crossing over is also an enzyme-mediated process, and the enzyme involved is called recombinase. Crossing over leads to recombination of genetic material on the two chromosomes. Recombination between homologous chromosomes is complete by the end of packaging, leaving the chromosomes linked at the site of crossing over. Okay. The remaining diplotin is recognized by dissolution of the synaptome complex and the tendency of the recombinant homologous chromosomes of the bivalent to separated from each other except the site of crossover. These X-shaped structure called chiasmata. In inside of some vertebrate, diplotin can last 1 month year. The final stage of dikinesis is marked by terminalization of chiasmata. मेटाफेज फर्स्ट में देखेंगे बाइवेलेंट क्रोमोसोम होता है एक्वेटर प्लेट पे होता है माइक्रोट्यूब्यूल अपोजिट पोल स्पेंडल फाइबर अटैच टू काइनेटो क्रोमोसोम पर लगते हैं. एनाफेज फर्स्ट देखो इसमें होमोलोगस क्रोमोसोम सेपरेट हो जाते हैं. ठीक है. सिस्टर क्रोमोसोम रिमेन एसोसिएटेड सेंटर पे हो जाते हैं. टीलोफेज फर्स्ट में न्यूक्लियर मेम्ब्रेन और न्यूक्लियस रिपेयर cytokinesis follows called die. Although in many cases chromosomes undergo some dispersion, they do not reach the extremely extended stage interphase nucleus. This stage between two mitotic divisions called interkinesis. Generally short-lived, protein no replication of DNA during the meiosis फर्स्ट देखेंगे तो प्रोफेज सेकंड में क्या होता है. meiosis सेकंड प्रोफेज सेकंड meiosis सेकंड is immediately after cytokinesis immediately before the chromosome have full elongated the contraction meiosis first and meiosis second. Normal mitosis, the nuclear membrane disappear by the end of prophase second. The chromosomes again become compact. मेटाफेज में देखेंगे at this stage the chromosomes align at the equator and the microtubules from opposite poles of the spindle get attached to the kinetochore of sister chromatid. It beginning with the simultaneous splitting of the centromere of chromosomes. ठीक है. होल्डिंग करके रखता है along with the poles. नेक्स्ट हम देखेंगे टीलोफेज सेकंड. meiosis and with telophase second in which to the group of chromosomes once again get enclosed by a nuclear envelope. Cytokinesis follow resulting in the formation of tertiary cell for approximate. सिग्निफिकेंस आप लोग पढ़ लेंगे. इस चैप्टर को करते हैं समाप्त. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट चैप्टर नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए आप लोग पढ़ाई करते रहिए. ऑल द वेरी बेस्ट.